What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add the follow button to your Facebook page. Now this is very quick and easy, so you just need to watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm gonna be showing you like couple of methods that you can do to add the follow button. So if the first one doesn't work for you, then other methods will work for you. So yeah, so before we start, drop a like on this video. I did a lot of research about this video so that I can help you guys get a follow button inside your Facebook page. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to log into your Facebook page, or you need to switch to your Facebook page. As you can see, in this case, this is my Facebook page. I have like 100 followers, as you can see here. So to add the follow button, what you need to do, guys, first, let's start with the first method. You want to click on three little dots here, okay, and then you want to click on edit action button, click on try it now, and search here for follow button. Now, for example, if you click on send email, instead of like if someone visits your Facebook page, they will see their send email or call now. It depends what you add here. So for example, contact us, they will be able to contact you, but that's not what you want. You want a follow button. So you just need to search for a follow button here and see if you can find it, okay? If you can't find it, then don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you other methods that will actually help you add follow button. Well, if you can see it here, click on it, click next, and you have successfully added follow button. But if you can't, what you need to do, guys, you want to switch to your own Facebook profile, okay? So I'm just going to switch to my profile. As you can see, now what most people don't know is you can actually turn your own profile to a page, okay, and you can start making money. You can start doing exactly what you are doing inside your Facebook page in your own Facebook profile. And let me just show you how you can turn your Facebook profile into a page. And the best thing about this is you can still talk to your you can still talk to your friends, your family, and you won't even know that you have a page. You have turned your Facebook to a page. You won't be able to know that, and you can still post videos, you can still make money, you can still get followers. You know what I'm saying? This will make sense in a few seconds. So you just want to switch to your Facebook profile, and you need to click on three little dots, okay, these three little dots, and you want to click on turn on professional mode. This feature is new, like Facebook has introduced this feature like 6 months ago, where you can make money posting videos, and you can just treat your own Facebook profile. It's like you can treat it like a page, okay, the same thing. And as you can see, it says here you can get paid for your content if you are eligible. Unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content and grow your audience profiles follower. So that means you can add the follow button, as you can see here, inside your own Facebook profile, okay. Now as you can see, it says also here, it says see content insights. You want to click on turn on, okay, and after that, guys, you want to click on done. Now you can just you can just post videos inside your own Facebook profile. As you can see, if you click on view as, you will find this is how people will see your Facebook profile. Your friends will be able, guys, to talk to you normally, just like they are doing your previous conversations and stuff like that. They are going to be the same thing, and you can, like, new people, you will be able to see follow button. As you can see it here. Now if you don't know this whole thing, I know that it's new for you. You just need to search for Facebook professional mode on YouTube, and a lot of people are going to explain to you guys how this whole thing works, how you can make money, how you can do a lot of things. Now if you don't want this, like if you want to add the follow button to your own Facebook profile, I have got a new idea, okay, and it worked for a lot of people. The first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to switch to your Facebook page, and then you want to click on your profile in the top right after you switch to Facebook page, and then click on help and support. Click on report a problem, click on help us improve Facebook, click on include in report, and you want to choose an area where it says here choose an area. You want to search for pages, okay, this is very important. You want to search, guys, for pages. That's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, pages, and yeah, and here you just want to explain to Facebook what you want. So I would say, hi, Facebook, I would like to have a follow button on my Facebook page. Okay, and then you will click submit, but the only problem with this is you will have to wait 24 hours before Facebook will get back to you. But sometimes it will be, like, it will get back to you within like 4 hours, depends if you are sending this on business days. Yeah, we just need to click on submit. Okay, and that's it. So make sure you check three little dots and then you check edit action button, so as you can see if you can see your follow button. Okay, so yeah, we just need to wait for 24 hours. Make sure to drop a like on this video and come back to this video within 24 hours. And if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.